I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the fog lights on a 2001 Pontiac Montana minivan. This process is extremely simple and it'll take the average person maybe 20 minutes to do. And I actually have an invoice from the original owner where the dealership had charged them $200 to do this. I went ahead and put the van on jack stands. It's not necessary, but it will help getting a little more clearance. And before anybody says anything, this is not my garage. I'm in borrowed space, so mind the clutter. I'm going to start on the passenger side, and all you're going to do is come over to the van, and right below the actual fog light itself, there's going to be this black piece of fascia with 2 Phillips head screws right here and right here. Go ahead and undo those. If you're cool like me, they didn't come with the screws, and you had zip ties in there. So go ahead and undo those screws. All right, so once those screws are undone, or zip ties, go ahead and pull this piece of black fascia backwards. Now, if you're smart like me, you'll let all that water and all that ice that's built up from driving dump on your face. But once you pull that back, you're going to slide under, and our fog light assembly is going to be right there. You can see I already have the bulb pulled out because I've already done all this. Go ahead and reach your hand in there. It's a counterclockwise turn like most headlights. Bam, you've exposed your fog light. Now go ahead and pop that bad boy off. Put your new one in there. I'm going to assume you guys don't need to see how to do that. If you do, watch another video. And just don't touch it with your bare hands. Put it back in there. Clockwise turn to lock it back in. And you're all set.